What?
Go!
There is a 60% chance that it's already raining! The raining seems to be coming from the side! And it seems to be moving around! And it's bring your daughter to work day! And this is my daughter! Cold! She is cold! And the rain seems to be trying to get me wet! Seems to have stopped. It is 75 and sunny. It's no wind. Oh my God! Okay, keep it going, people. Okay. Cut.
Keep rolling.
Seems to be misting outside. The water seems to be following my daughter, also known as my sister. Oh, ew! That's disgusting. Oh, never mind. Irrelevant. Okay. We're gonna try to get the water away.
Just missed, you guys. Just missed.
Just missed. Okay. I don't trust this girl, so we're just gonna stay like this.